D20 GPS-based boat usage tutorial. Firstly, let's connect the power cable. Close the battery case cover tightly after the power cable is connected. Beware of water. Install the external antenna. Then switch the power of the boat. Power on and light on. Second step, switch the remote controller. So let's operate that. Simple controlling for the hopper and light. Left hopper, right hopper, back hopper. Click key 1. Left hopper opens. Key to control the right hopper. Long pressing key 1 is for opening back hopper. Back hopper is opening. This step should be returned manually. And then there is the V-shaped light strip in front of the boat hull. And the rear tail light. The light controlling is from a button A at the upper left corner. This is light on. Through the button of the upper right corner. Key B can change the light color. There are 7 colors. It can switch by itself. These 2 red are the rear tail lights. We'll control the boat out manually once it's in the water, 5 to 7 m from shore. Now, we should make the calibration firstly. Operation step. Press the key 4, then press key A. The boat will be ran a circle to the right, then ran a circle to the left. This calibration is to keep the boat from non-yawing. Change the environment. First launch, must make the calibration. The calibration is finished. We control the boat back to shore. Set an origin point on the shore. Lost contact to return. Low battery automatic return. One-click automatic return. It's all going back to the origin point. Anchor point setting. We set the origin point at your fishing position. Only set number 1 to be the original point. One we can see the number 1. Remote controller. There are 2 dial buttons at the upper left and upper right corners. It can choose the numbers from 1 to 99. There is 99 points. Now let's set up one fishing point. Operation step. Press key 4 and key 1 to set the fishing point. There will be a star icon next to the number 1. The positioning is successful. Now, we control the boat out. Set any one point as fishing point. Now I'm going to teach you how to cruise. Push the rocker up. Press the key B at the upper right. The boat will cruise at a fixed speed. Now, the boat is under cruise control. Press the key B of the upper right corner and cancel all current operations. We set the second fishing point. First select number to through the dial button. Press key 4 and key 1. Second fishing point is set successful. Let's make the demonstration. Let the boat return to our number 1 origin automatically. One dial button is switched to the number 1. Under the number 1, we press the number 3. There is a showing at the left side. It means the boat is running to the number 1. We can have a look. The boat has been instructed to return to the origin point. The number is showing on the remote controller. It means the distance between the boat and original point. There is a beep sound from the controller when the boat reaches the position point. Now, the boat is back to original point. Now, we demonstrate again. We set the number 2 as the fishing point. To the dial button is to the number 2. And then press the key 3. The key 3 is the navigation key. The boat goes to any place. Please kindly press the key 3. It shows the boat reaches the second position point. The GPS-based boat is with the anti-loss function. If you want to avoid losing it, you have to set the origin point. The boat can return under low battery. Lost the signal and automatic return. One-click automatic return. Now, we make a showing. We have set number 1 as the original point. The boat is low battery when the boat is on, or find out there is no signal. The boat will return to the original point. We turn off the remote controller. The remote controller is turned off within 30s. The boat can check the signal. Then the boat can return. Now, the boat is at the front of us. The boat have found out there is no signal. The boat returned to the original point. The remote controller is off. The boat is returned. Our system can support 99 fishing points. When we set all the fishing point or change the new fishing environment, we can get rid of all the previous anchor points. Long press the key 4 to clear all the fishing points. Now, we clear away all the data. The beep sound from controller means that we should set the original point.